cutting and adjustment. I don't know why chefs so they like to talk for kitchen. It they happen to now. Because I see Bolanle, you know, just they talk at all. Joseph, they rescue the mission. The guy just they turn everything. A power of man be that.
That is it.
Bolanle, what's happen now? You know, just bother they communicate with us. You know, they tell our viewers what thing they do.
I don't start. I don't put my palm oil for fire.
Fire, okay.
I met them small. So you know, go day too hot. I can't pour my ogbono.
Okay, as you melt them so you know get seed. I never see when they fry ogbono before.
Now different method we get.
Different methods to use. Okay.
So this one
so
I start.
There, so you don't put your crayfish.
No, I never put them.
Okay.
I first mix my ogbono. My ogbono don't they boil.
Oh, okay. My people, because me no say when you want ogbono soup now, everything go together. I don't know whether she go feel impressed now. We don't know whether na the style where she carry.
Put your salt.
We'll wait and see.
Go wait and see. My just said they won't wait and see. All right, Mr. Joseph, I see say you they rescue the mission. Everything they go inside. You don't put salt.
I will try now.
You don't put your seasoning.
This one. I won't put Maggi now.
Oh, seasoning now they call them on top. Okay. Seasoning. I could not do free advert for them.
I don't make my ogbono boil small.
Okay,
now I won't add all the spices.
Maybe pepper not too much. Wow, she really put pepper. Anyway, now Yoruba woman, you know say Yoruba people when you want to eat their food, now so pepper. I don't say I dey yabo now, I don't say I like pepper. We the elders we dey eat pepper, but now when woman born, now we dey eat. I don't know whether you dey experience that one. Because if you dey stay for Lagos, you must learn how to eat pepper. Now first thing because them born me for north. So when I come Lagos, now if I go eat, I dey take water twice.
She they help regulate temperature sometimes.
Okay, the pepper they good for body. Yes. But the Yoruba people they very big for size. Okay, maybe now that one they give them energy. All right, so my people, as they go, they cook the food they go, and I tell you all the aromas them don't they hit me from left to right. But only one puts meat now. I hope say the meat soft to reach where go. Let our judges eat.
It don't soft.
As you they cook and so your creativity now ain't go make you chef. Now that one I know. You must be creative for inside kitchen. You must be very, very creative. You know waiting to put afterwards and waiting you will put next. All right, Joseph. You don't reach the bitter leaf level.
Yes, ma'am.
You know they hard for when men they.
But no, they take for
fire.
For fire.
Oh, okay. The leaf don't do like that. Joseph, you feel say today one of our judges go carry you join her team. You dey sure? All right, me I dey like make better thing dey happen for where I dey. If na here I go for happen, why not if not on top of Chop Chop? Because now Wazobia TV they carry the betterment can give you on top channel 195 for start time. Make you no think and make you no dull am because me, the aroma don't they hit me, my cameraman don't they give me hand say na me go chop am, na me go chop am. You self go on join us. All right, follow us on top Twitter and make you follow us on top Facebook. Where they scroll in front of your screen right about now. What we can carry can give you today? Na ogbono soup and gari. Eba. In case you don't know what they call gari, eba. And a red gari now we're going to Igbo level. Because I know say for Lagos, if you want to eat red gari, they go say eba Igbo. I don't know why. But anyway, Sha, make I not talk too much because I know say to talk for kitchen. According to them, my contestants today, they say na crime. Keep your mouth shut, let your fingers make it talk for you, but then pay me to talk and I gas to talk. On top of Wazobia TV, make you not change that channel because now for here, all the betterments and the aroma, they join together. Now for you to come chop plate. If you want to join us, why not? You get the opportunity. Go on top of our Facebook, on top of our Twitter. Make you follow us. Tell us, so na me, I sabi cook. Come, make we do them together. And you know, so now the Christmas period you don't enter, so you yourself go on, join us on top of the journey. In case your husband said they bemu anyhow, tell you saying sabi cook, send and come here. Send and come Queen Bee place. We go do them on top Chop Chop. Make I know whether it's sabi cook. If you know sabi, I will go flog and koboko. But make I take small break. Make I drink water because the aroma don't they hit me. And they come back.